is paired with this boat, properly fitted for the hull, specifically designed for this hull. Coming around to the transom, you have a swim platform with a reboarding ladder on the port side, offshore trim tabs on this boat. This is powered with a 115 horsepower Mercury main thrust 4-stroke. Great performance with this higher horsepower motor. I'll hop inside. The ski hoop here is great. It gives you an elevated tow point for pulling skis, but it also gives you an extra grab point for getting in and out of the boat, especially from the side. You have rear quarter seats here with backrests. Live well is beneath the port side aft. The battery switch is beneath the starboard side aft. Rod holders, recessed cleats, bimini top. Gives you great sun coverage on this boat. The captain chairs are very comfortable. Nice big thick cushions. They swivel and they slide, so you can face inward if you wanted to. Here at the helm, you got a stainless steel steering wheel with a steering knob that is on a tilt base. Fusion Bluetooth stereo head unit. The trim tab remotes here. Aircraft style toggle switches for lights and pumps and the horn. Digital gauges, analog gauges with a digital LCD display from Mercury. A little recessed area here with some non-skid material. You can set your phone when sliding around. Cup holder here for the captain. 2 cup holders here for the observer. There's also a lockable glove box inside here. There's storage at the bottom of both consoles. But let's make our way up to the bow. This is the best part of this boat. So you have big chase lounges on this boat. For 17 feet, this is a huge bow area relative to seat. So built-in chase lounges with nice high comfortable backrests that have built-in storage beneath. You can use these for a number of different things. These are finished and drained, so you can use them as coolers, but you can keep dry items in there as well. Fenders, dock lines, heated on both sides. You have a nice high bow rail that is an option on this boat, but it does give you something to lean up against if you're seated in the back and want to recline some. Big thick bow cushion that easily removes if you want to convert this bow area to more of a fishing setup. So in addition to bow storage, this can serve as a very large casting deck. Non-skid material for some safety. Easily navigate up around the foredeck area. If you're throwing a casting net or just doing some fishing. Finished lid, underside for the scalp. Finished and drained storage area here. This is in addition to what you have for anchor storage. So that's separated here. You have to combine things you want to keep clean with your anchor. Recessed cleats for the bow. This is what you have for the bow. Nav light is mounted here. Stainless steel grab handles around either console give you an extra touch point for safety if you're making your way from the cockpit to the bow or vice versa, especially if you're in rougher water. But just a great boat from Scout. This is their 175 Sport Dorado. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Give us a call at 843-747-18.